Hi and welcome to Know Your Hair by Haddai. In today's episode, I'm going to talk to you about what you can do, what type of hair extension you can do if you have very thin and short hair. Obviously, you can't go in for micro beads or nano rings or anything like that, because for that type of hair, you need some hair coverage. So the best extension type to use in an instance where you have very thin and short hair is tape extensions. Now, tape extensions, as you will see in these videos that we've shown you, that even for somebody with very scanty hair, where the hair loss is due to, example, say for doing chemical treatments or for some other reason, we can use taping hair extension to give a real good volume and length. Most often, because tape hair is easily undetectable, you cannot detect it. It's made, the tape is actually, the bond is made out of hair itself. So even if your hair parts or it goes to the wind or anything like that, it's not detectable. And also it's very comfortable to wear. So for say somebody who has fine hair, even if somebody were to touch your head, and you wouldn't find that the person won't be able to tell whether you have extensions in, if you have tape-in hair extensions. So follow the video and see as this how from a length of like shoulder length hair, we can go all the way up to a waist or hip length hair. Now, most often in a situation, we try as much as possible to get 100% hair match to the client's own hair, unless and otherwise the client requests it. So in this instance, we have taken a client who has got a hair rebonded and had hair loss because of it. We have sort of matched the hair color and texture and everything 100% to the hair she has. So when you see the final result, it is seamless. You cannot say that anything has been done. With tape-in hair systems, you can also part your hair any way you like. It's easy to manage. If you get a good shampoo and a conditioner, have an extension brush, then follow the guidelines that we give you in how to maintain your hair after hair extensions, and you will find that it's one of the easiest and most comfortable methods of hair extensions to use, because even when you have to sleep with it, or you can, we always suggest that if you're going to sleep with it and it's longer hair, to always braid it. Also, don't go to sleep with wet hair. If you have seen my other videos and how to maintain and take care of your hair, there are no lifestyle limitations as in such. You can iron it, you can comb it, you can go to the gym with it, you can swim with it, but there are a bit of things you have to take care of, because these hair extensions are always attached to small amounts of your hair. So you have to be kind to them and treat them nicely and be gentle with them, and then your hair will be extension will remain in place in good condition for a very long period of time, till you need to get it refixed. So have a look at this and see that if you are someone who has very short hair and you're wondering whether you can go into extension, because you need to put in, example, in if you're doing nano rings or whatever, you like to put in about 100 or 150 of them, whereas in tape extensions, generally it is 40 to 60 tapes, or you can go into 80 tapes, and it's very seamless. You cannot, it just flows. So hope this is helpful, and you are always most welcome to meet us and chat with us and ask us what is the best solution for you, and we always have a consultation with our clients. So hope this has been of some help for you. If you're worried that most often you are unable to do hair extension because your hair is very thin and short. Hope this video helps. Thank you for watching. Until we meet again, stay blessed. Bye.